Most people have some unnecessary software installed on their PCs, which can do more harm than good. The software may no longer be supported by the developer, meaning that it won't receive any security updates, which leaves any discovered vulnerabilities open for attackers to take advantage of. Or it may be junk software that can be safely removed from your PC or replaced with other more reliable software. Here are 12 unnecessary programs that should not be installed on a Windows PC. CCleaner is a popular tool for cleaning up temporary files and optimizing a PC, but we wouldn't recommend having it installed. CCleaner has had past issues, such as forced updates without permissions, data collection, and concerns about registry cleaning and conflicts with other software. CCleaner often promises to boost PC performance by cleaning out unnecessary files. However, the actual performance gains are often minimal, and you probably won't see much of a difference after using the tool. In some cases, the tool may even cause performance problems by removing files that are needed. You'll find suitable cleaning tools elsewhere, including those built into Windows itself, so there's no need to install CCleaner or any other PC cleaners or performance boosters. Wise Registry Cleaner can be useful for cleaning up your Windows registry, but we wouldn't recommend using it, as it can often cause more harm than good. While the registry database can contain unused entries, removing them with Wise Registry Cleaner or any other registry cleaner won't improve system performance or stability. Registry cleaners can accidentally delete essential registry entries, which can lead to software malfunctions or even prevent Windows from starting up. While QuickTime is still supported on macOS, Apple hasn't supported the Windows version since 2016, meaning there are no more security updates or bug fixes. QuickTime for Windows has been reported to have security holes, which malware can take advantage of, so you should uninstall it. iTunes does not rely on QuickTime, so uninstalling it shouldn't cause any issues. QuickTime can be replaced by other software, such as VLC Media Player and the built-in Media Player. uTorrent has had issues over the years and is not considered trustworthy anymore. It comes with ads crammed into the interface, offers for other software tools, and other bloatware that makes it an annoyance for users. We wouldn't recommend using uTorrent as there are better alternatives available, like QBitTorrent, which offer better performance, security, and privacy. While having a file archive and compression utility can be useful, there are better alternatives than WinRAR. You can download a trial of WinRAR for free, which asks you to pay after using it for 40 days. However, the app never locks you out or forces you to pay. There's no reason to use WinRAR anymore, as 7-zip and the built-in archive and compression tools cover most people's needs and have become more widely used. Adobe stopped supporting Flash Player on the 31st of December 2020 and blocked Flash content from running on the 12th of January 2021. All modern web browsers, including Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox, have removed Flash support. If you still have it installed on your PC, it's a good idea to remove it to avoid security risks. A similar runtime plugin, called Shockwave Player, was discontinued in April 2019. Shockwave Player is no longer necessary for most web applications and has become a security risk since it's no longer updated, so you should also uninstall it as you're very unlikely to find a website that needs it. Java was once popular for web interactivity, but new technologies have largely replaced it, and modern browsers, like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox have stopped supporting the Java plugin. Very few websites use Java today, so unless you have specific applications or websites that require it, you should uninstall it for better security and performance. Microsoft Silverlight was used to create internet applications and multimedia experiences, like Adobe Flash. It's no longer needed because it doesn't work with modern browsers, and Microsoft has discontinued it. Silverlight is only officially supported in Internet Explorer, which Microsoft ended support for in June 2022. Uninstalling Silverlight won't cause any issues as it's no longer used. Norton, McAfee, and other third-party antivirus suites are not needed now. Windows 10 and Windows 11 come with Windows Defender, which offers advanced protection against malware and other threats, and comes with no annoying pop-ups or yearly subscriptions. Third-party antivirus software was more common before Windows 10 was released, but built-in antivirus protection has improved over time and is strong enough for most people. Many antivirus programs are often filled with lots of other features that most people don't use, can conflict with other built-in security features, and constantly run in the background, which can slow down your PC. Antivirus software can also be expensive and become an unnecessary cost of owning and using a PC. Unless you need very specific features, you don't need to pay for effective antivirus protection on your PC anymore. Greenshot is a popular tool for capturing and annotating screenshots, but it has not been officially updated since 2017. Without stable updates, Greenshot is vulnerable to security issues. there are better choices than Greenshot. You can use the built-in snipping tool to take screenshots, and it's suitable for basic tasks. If you want more advanced features, you can consider using a third-party screenshot tool. VPNs can help protect your privacy and unblock websites, but you should be careful with which free VPNs you use. Many free VPNs are unreliable and pose data collection and privacy risks. Free VPN providers can collect your data and sell it to advertisers or third parties, and some have been linked to data breaches, putting your data at risk. For example, this free VPN is not considered a reliable option. It has a history of selling users bandwidth to third parties and operates on a peer-to-peer model, meaning that your internet connection could be used to route traffic from other people. This setup can pose serious risks, such as exposing your IP address and allowing other people to use your internet connection for any purpose. While antivirus browser extensions can offer extra layers of security when you browse the web, they are not needed now and will often do more harm than good. Modern browsers have built-in security features to protect you from harmful websites and threats, and your antivirus should protect your PC from malware. These extensions are often an annoyance, as they can incorrectly flag websites and slow down your browser. Some extensions, even those that seem reliable, can pose privacy risks by collecting data about your browsing habits and the websites you visit and selling it to third parties, or using it to profile you, so we wouldn't recommend having those types of extensions installed. If this video was useful for you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you want to receive notifications whenever new content is posted, you can click on the bell icon after subscribing.